Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon or good evening depending on what time you are watching this video. I am recording this video today from our classroom. See, do you miss this place, guys? I miss you guys all. So today we are going to learn a few new words. Okay, the video is going to be very quickly because I had a look at the book and the questions are not difficult. So starting by the first one, the first word that we have there is the word fancy. Okay, fancy. Fancy, guys, is very similar with posh, or when someone is rich. Okay, is rich stuff, expensive stuff, expensive people. Okay. So when you like to wear tuxedos or suits, and tuxedos is more for weddings, but suits, or when you look, when you look expensive, when you look rich, you are a fancy person. Okay, and then we have inexpensive. Inexpensive is the opposite of expensive, so it's the same thing as cheap. When something is not expensive is the opposite of fancy. Fancy, a lot of money, okay, someone that is very posh, and inexpensive is the opposite. And then we have embarrassed. Okay, embarrassed is a dodgy situation. Okay, when you don't feel comfortable. Okay, I feel shy, I feel not comfortable, uncomfortable. Okay, so I feel embarrassed. Sometimes you can feel embarrassed with people, sometimes we can feel embarrassed with situations. And then we have deep. Deep, guys, is, for example, when you talk about the sea. Sea is a deep place. That's why it has water. So deep is when something goes down for a long time. Okay, is a long way to go down. It's a deep. Okay. Ancient is the opposite of young, actually. So young, and then we have ancient, that is for old. Okay, so for example, we have ancient constructions. Let me think about an example of something ancient. Nothing comes in my mind now. Something ancient, something that's old. For example, my grandma. My grandma, she is an ancient person. And then we have sour. Okay, sour is similar as beet or bitter. Sour is when something is too strong. For example, a lemon. Lemon can be very sour if you bite. And then we have the word broken. Broken is when something breaks. Okay, so it's broken. So for example, my car is broken at the moment, or you can break a pencil or something like this. There is that famous TV series that's called Breaking Bad. And then we have tiny. Okay, tiny is the opposite of big. Okay, so big and tiny. Okay, it's a small thing. For example, I have no examples here. I'm very bad at examples today. But tiny is something that's very little. Okay. So guys, just fill out the gaps on these exercises. Exercise number 3, 2, 4, 5, and 6. They are all about these words, so don't worry. Just talk about adjectives and things like this. So if you have any question, just ask me. And that's it, guys. Have a nice day. Enjoy your weekend. Enjoy Easter. And I see you guys next week. Okay? Bye-bye.